Uh, Hello, ma'am. Myself Prashant Nomkavle, and today's video topic is e-commerce. First of all, we discuss about e-commerce in brief. Uh, the e-commerce is electronic commerce. It is refers to the companies and individual that buy and sell goods to and services over internet. E-commerce provide in different types of uh, market segments and can be conduct over computers, tablets, smartphones, and other smart devices. Nearly every imaginable product and services is available through e-commerce transactions, including books, music, uh, plane tickets, bus tickets, online shopping, etc., and final services such as stock investing and online banking. As such, it is considered is a very distributed technology. Uh, the e-commerce is the buying and selling of goods and services over the internet. It is conducted over computers, tablets, smartphones, and other smart devices. Almost anything can be purchased through the e-commerce today, which makes e-commerce highly competitive. It can be it can be suitable for a brick and mortar stores through some business choose to maintain both. E-commerce operators in several market segments, including the business to business customer, and customer to customer, and customer to business. uh, the understanding the e-commerce, the e-commerce is a very fastest growing technology in India and world. Noted above, the e-commerce is the process of buying and selling products and services online. The it involves more than one party along with the exchanges of data of currency to process of transaction. It is a part of greater industry that is known as electronic business means e-business, which is involves all of the process required to the run company online. E-commerce has a help to business, especially those with narrow like small businesses gain to and establish with uh, vendor market presence by providing and the more efficient distribution channels for their product or services. Target supplement, it's the brick and mortar presences with the online store that allow customer to purchase everything from clothes and coffee market to the toothpaste and action finger right from their homes. Providing good and services is it is a very as it may seems, it required a lot of researches about the products and service you wish to sell, the market audience, competition, as well as accepted business cost. Once that determine, you need come up the name and set up a legal structure such as a corporation. Next, set up e-commerce site with a payment gateway. For instance, and small business owner who runs a dress shop can set up a website promoting their clothing and other related products online, and allow customer to market payments with the credit card through payment processing services such as stores, kirana market, technical, uh, shopping stall, and many other etc. Small businesses. Special considers in e-commerce. E-commerce has changed the way of people shop and consume products and services. More people are turning to their computers and smart devices to order goods, which can easily be delivered to their homes, uh, such as Mintra, Flipkart, Amazon, uh, Meesho, such as its distribute to consider property forcing the traditional related to make changes to the way and they do business. But the history of e-commerce, the most of have shop online for something at same points without saying e-commerce is very rare, but every few people may know that e-commerce has a history to that goes back before the internet being. The e-commerce actually goes to the 1960s when companies used to electronic system. It's called electronic data interchange and facilities that transfer to documents is it want to until in 1994 that the very first transaction the took place. This is involved sales of a CD between the friends through an online retail website. It's called a net market. The industry has gone through so many changes since that the resulting in a great deal of revolution. Traditional brick and mortar retailer were forced to embrace new technology in order to say a fault of companies like Alibaba, Amazon, eBay, and Eastay became the household market, and their companies created the virtual marketplace for good services, good services. The access to new technology continue to market it the areas for people to do their online shopping. People can connected with business through smartphones and other devices by downloading apps and purchases. There the introduction to free shopping which reduced to cost and customers has also helped increase the priority to e-commerce industry. The advantages and disadvantages of e-commerce. The first advantages is convenience. The e-commerce can be occur 24 hours a day and 7 days in a week. Through e-commerce may take a lot of works. It's still too possible to generate sales as you sleep or earn revenue will you are away to from your store. Increase selection. Many stores offer vendor array to products online then they carry in their brick and mortar corporators, and many stores that slowly exit online may offer customer executives to that's unavailable anyway. The the potentially lower startup cost. E-commerce companies may require the warehouse or manufacturing sites, but they usually don't need to the physical storefront. The cost to the operator digitally is often less expensive than the needing to pay rent, insuring building maintenance and properly taxes. The international sales or long as e-commerce stores ship to the customer, and e-commerce company can sell to anyone world to limited physical geography. The disadvantages of e-commerce: limited customer service. If you shop online for a computer, you cannot simply ask an employee to demonstrate particular model features in a person, and through some websites let you chat online with staff member. This is not typically practice. Lack of instance gratification. When you buy an item online, you must wait for it to do shipped to your home or office. However, e-trailer like Amazon make the waiting game little bit less painful by the offering same day delivery as a premium option for the select products. the Reliance Technology. If your website crash, grammar hack, and overwhelming amount of traffic, or must temporarily take down for any reason, your business is effectively closed until the e-commerce storefront is back. Uh, the higher competition or through the low barrier to entry. Regarding the low cost is an advantages, it means the conditions as easy to enter in the market. The e-commerce companies must have a mindful marketing strategy and remain the developing yes sales marketing and services. It is to process it is a process to digitally, and Indian market is very fastest growth in online shopping, digital way, digital marketing, e-commerce, and etc. The Indian government is uh, very positive to e-commerce technology. So this is the all about e-commerce. Thank you.